Ready to unlock the power of online sales and turn your Godaddy website into a money-making machine? First, log into your Godaddy account and navigate to your website builder. We'll assume you already have a site set up and are ready to add payment functionality. Look for an e-commerce section or an ad section button. Depending on your Godaddy plan, click on it to explore your options. Now, Godaddy usually offers built-in integrations with popular payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or Square. Choose the gateway that best suits your needs and business model. If you're choosing PayPal, for example, you'll typically be prompted to connect your existing PayPal business account. Follow the on-screen instructions to link them securely. For Stripe or other gateways, you might need to enter API keys. These can be found in your payment gateway account settings. Think of them as digital passwords that allow Godaddy to communicate with your gateway securely. Once connected, go to your product pages or shopping cart settings. Here, you'll configure how customers actually pay you. Make sure the payment options are clearly displayed and customers can easily enter their details or choose their preferred payment method, such as credit card or PayPal. Finally, test everything. Place a test order to ensure the payment process runs smoothly and that you receive the funds correctly. Be sure to refund yourself after this test. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated a payment gateway into your Godaddy website. Now you're ready to start collecting those online transactions. Like this video and subscribe for more tips on growing your online business.